How to pay with gift card on Shein app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can pay with a gift card on your Shein app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is make sure that you have the app and you're logged into your account. After you do that, you can simply scroll till you find whatever you'd like to buy. So let me just find something that I think I'll just buy. So I'll just add an item to my cart. So I'll just add this to my cart. And after I add this to my cart, I'll simply head over to my cart and select the product and then tap on checkout on the bottom right corner. After I do that, you can see the payment methods here. And after you choose a payment method, you can head a little down again and there you will see gift card. Head over to gift card. And now all you need to do is simply type in the card number and the PIN and tap on apply. After you tap on apply, the amount will be deducted from the gift card balance once you just tap on apply. And it's that simple. That is how you can use the gift card to simply pay for your orders on Shein app. And that is basically all for the video too, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.